Welcome, this is Jamb, your 2014 government past question. Question number 46. The review of Nigeria foreign policy under the Murtala Obasanjo regime was done by dash. The review of Nigeria foreign policy under the Murtala Obasanjo regime was done by dash. We'll talk of review, that is examination of Nigerian national interests, because foreign policies has to do with national interests. Option A say Udoji committee, B say Aboyade committee, and of course it is not committee that review foreign policy, it is a commission. So option C says Adedeji commission, option D says Phillips commission. Phillips commission took place during the local government review. So the commission that reviewed Nigeria foreign policy under Murtala Obasanjo was Adedeji commission. So option C is correct. Thank you, and kindly subscribe for more videos.